Let's talk about the body. The human body has many different parts, and each one has a job to do. The head is at the top of the body. It holds our face, our eyes, and our brain. We have two eyes on the front of our face. We use our eyes to see colors, shapes, and people. The nose is in the middle of the face. We use our nose to breathe and to smell things. The mouth has lips and teeth. We use our mouth to eat food, drink water, and speak to other people. We have two ears, one on each side of the head. We use our ears to hear sounds, music, and voices. The neck connects the head to the body. The shoulders are on each side of the neck, and they help us move our arms. We have two arms, one on each side of the body. At the end of each arm is a hand. Each hand has 5 fingers. We use our fingers to hold things, to write, draw, and touch. The chest is in front of the upper body. Inside the chest, the heart beats all day and all night. The stomach is in front of the lower body. Food and drink go into our stomach and give us energy. The back is the part behind our chest. A strong back helps us stand and move. We have 2 legs below the body. At the end of each leg is a foot. Each foot has 5 toes. Together, all the parts of the body work every day.